Hi John, how are you?
Hi Owen, I'm great, thank you very much.
How are you finding Cloud Expo?
I'm loving it. There's such a buzz on this year. I wasn't here last year, and the year before that was COVID, and just loving the buzz. The people are great. It's the busiest I've ever seen it.
What do you think's been the biggest success on the stand?
One of the biggest successes we've got is the Mind Control beer. People queuing for it, and all of our sales team are going in there, questioning them, seeing how it's going.
What's your name?
Roman.
Roman, lovely to meet you. How did you find the beer pouring experience?
Quite easy actually, it was very enjoyable, I love it.
What was your technique to get a good
My
pint?
technique was just simply channel my focus like a tunnel vision. All I was doing, focusing on the numbers and repeating them, nothing else.
And where did you come in the leaderboard?
Second.
Amazing. Hello Charlotte.
Hi Owen.
How's your day going?
It's really good, thank you very much. Going well, busy stand, getting the message out there, it's good.
The beer pouring machine's been really popular.
Yeah, it has, I'm very pleased with that. That was a great idea by ours, showing a bit of tech, but also getting people some beer is a great start to day one.
Have you spoken to anyone interesting today?
Yeah, we've had a few really exciting people come and say hi, but lots of old partners. We had some customers come on board, and I've had some great marketing opportunities as well.
Amazing. What are you looking forward to for the rest of the expo?
Just more networking, meeting new people, spreading the Hyve brand. Yeah, looking forward to a great rest of the show.
Will you be going to watch Luke and his talk tomorrow?
100%. We're all looking forward to Luke doing his panel discussion tomorrow at 10 a.m.